In the world of AI, few partnerships have been as significant as the one between Microsoft and OpenAI. Microsoft, having invested billions into OpenAI, helped nurture the AI giant's early growth, cementing its role as OpenAI's exclusive cloud provider for years. But things are changing, and the once harmonious partnership is now entering more competitive waters. As OpenAI continues to make waves with their powerful GPT models, Microsoft has decided to go its own way, developing its own in-house AI called MAI, possibly to take control, cut costs, and compete head-to-head with OpenAI's powerful language models. Why is Microsoft creating MAI? For years, Microsoft and OpenAI worked side by side, with Microsoft heavily relying on OpenAI's models to power products like Copilot, the AI assistant designed to help users with tasks like writing documents and coding. But as the AI industry grows, so do the costs. Maintaining these AI models isn't cheap. Running massive data centers, purchasing AI chips, and handling GPU clusters come with a hefty price tag. And with rumors circulating that OpenAI's agents could soon cost a jaw-dropping $20,000 per month, Microsoft has been taking action. It's clear that Microsoft is building its own AI model, MAI, presumably short for Microsoft AI, to reduce its reliance on OpenAI. With the internal development of MAI, Microsoft aims to bring down costs, boost flexibility, and create an AI ecosystem that's entirely under its control. Reports suggest that these in-house models can perform on par with OpenAI's most advanced systems, which means that Microsoft might have found a way to stay competitive while slashing its dependence on expensive partnerships. The cost of AI. Why is it so expensive? One of the driving factors behind Microsoft's push for its own AI system is the incredibly high cost of maintaining large language models, LLMs. These advanced models are computationally expensive to run, with AI chips alone costing anywhere between $10,000 to $30,000 each. Entire server racks for these models can cost over $500,000 before a single task is even processed. And when you factor in the ever-growing operational costs of AI products used by millions of people, the price tag can become astronomical. Take OpenAI as an example. Rumors have it that the company is offering AI agents for upwards of $20,000 per month for a PhD-level research agent, no less. And, as if that wasn't shocking enough, SoftBank reportedly invested $3 billion into purchasing AI agents from OpenAI this year. The question now is whether companies like Microsoft are looking for alternatives to high-end models, seeking to strike a balance between cost and performance. Microsoft's game plan, flexibility, and cost reduction. Microsoft has been busy developing its own family of large language models, which could potentially rival GPT models in performance. But their internal AI push isn't just about cutting costs. The move also appears to be a strategic attempt to reduce dependency on OpenAI. The company has already begun testing its own models to power various systems, including Copilot, the AI assistant that many Microsoft users rely on daily. Sources close to the situation say that these models perform at least as well as OpenAI's offerings, which would be a massive win for Microsoft if they can pull it off. Moreover, Microsoft isn't just working on its own models. The tech giant is reportedly testing third-party models from various competitors, including Meta, Anthropic, and others, to ensure they're getting the best performance possible for their systems. This flexibility allows Microsoft to cherry-pick the most efficient AI models, avoiding the need to commit exclusively to one provider, especially if it means saving a buck. The rise of AI agents and the $220,000 question. While the costs of AI agents from OpenAI are already high, they're not expected to slow down anytime soon, with rumored prices reaching as high as $220,000 per month for top-tier models. Businesses will need to seriously consider whether the return on investment is worth it. Can AI truly replace human expertise in fields like finance, research, and creative writing? Or are these high-ticket agents just expensive hype? Smaller AI startups are also entering the market, offering more affordable alternatives, like coding agents priced at around $500 per month. Though these models may not be as powerful as OpenAI's or Microsoft's, the pricing disparity raises an important question. Is the $20,000 monthly fee for a high-level agent really justified, or are we seeing a market bubble that's unsustainable in the long run? The AI turf war? Microsoft and OpenAI part ways? Over the years, Microsoft and OpenAI were so intertwined that it seemed impossible to imagine a future where they were competitors. But as the months go by, their relationship has begun to shift. Early this year, Microsoft revised its agreement with OpenAI, moving away from its role as the exclusive cloud provider for OpenAI's models. While they still have the right of first refusal to host OpenAI's workloads, the AI field is evolving, and Microsoft doesn't want to be tethered to one partner forever. Simultaneously, other companies like Oracle are entering the cloud space, offering OpenAI the option to diversify its providers. With significant investments in AI infrastructure, including the Stargate project backed by Oracle, SoftBank, and NVIDIA, competition in AI hardware is heating up. In fact, Microsoft itself is pouring $80 billion into AI data centers in fiscal year 2025. It seems the battle is far from over, and both companies see a golden future in AI, but the risks are clear. The belief state transformer, a new way for AI to think. At the heart of Microsoft's AI push is something groundbreaking: the belief state transformer. This new technology seeks to change the way AI models generate and understand sequences of tokens words. Traditionally, AI models process tokens in a linear, left-to-right fashion, but the BST adds an innovative twist. By using both a forward encoder and a backward encoder, the model can absorb information both before and after a given token. This allows the AI to predict not only the next token, but also the previous one in a sequence. Why does this matter? Well, in tasks that require planning and reasoning, like navigating complex problems or generating coherent stories, traditional models often struggle. By incorporating both past and future contexts, the belief state transformer can handle tasks that traditional models can't, solving problems more effectively. In early tests, BST outperformed traditional models in generating more coherent stories with smoother transitions between sentences. It can plan out a story step by step, ensuring a logical flow from start to finish. Though the BST model currently contains only about 80 million parameters, much fewer than models like GPT-4, its potential to scale is enormous. If these ideas are integrated into large-scale systems, it could give Microsoft a significant edge in the race for AI supremacy. What's next for Microsoft and OpenAI? As the competition between Microsoft and OpenAI intensifies, the world of AI is entering a new and exciting phase. With Microsoft investing heavily in MAI and its reasoning models, as well as pushing forward with the belief state transformer, it's clear that the company is making moves to build a dominant AI ecosystem. Whether it's using its own in-house models, testing third-party models, or investing in cutting-edge research, Microsoft is positioning itself for success. On the other hand, OpenAI continues to push boundaries with its own agents, despite the high costs associated with them. As both companies invest billions into AI infrastructure, it's clear that we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. With Microsoft's integration of AI across its product lines and OpenAI's advancements in language and reasoning capabilities, the next few years will be pivotal in shaping the AI landscape. Both companies are not just competing, but also collaborating, which could lead to groundbreaking innovations. As they refine their technologies, it will be fascinating to see how their AI ecosystems evolve and what new applications emerge for consumers and businesses alike. And that's a wrap on today's AI Showdown. If you think Microsoft's new AI might just outsmart your favorite tech guru, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more juicy tech gossip, because let's face it, who needs a crystal ball when you have AI? Until next time, stay curious and keep those neural networks firing. Catch you in the next one.